If reports of the iPhone 15 Pro getting a USB-C connector weren't enough, consider the newest rumor from leaker analyst 941, who believes the next generation Pro iPhones would enable Thunderbolt 3 connectivity. Thunderbolt 3 is often found on desktop and laptop computers, and it can carry data at up to 40 gigabits per second while also managing power and video. In contrast, Apple's Lightning connection, which has been used on iPhones for the last decade, is based on USB 2.0, a 20-year-old standard with a data speed limit of 0.48 gigabits per second, which is orders of magnitude slower. Aside from being substantially speedier and adopting the industry standard USB-C connection, the iPhone 15 Pro will reportedly be able to take use of Thunderbolt 3 owing to planned capabilities in iOS 17. One of them, as described by 941, is live 4K video output to an external monitor, which will reportedly let you to watch what you're filming on an iPhone on a larger display without the camera controls getting in the way. Although some of the iPhone's sophisticated capabilities, including as the telephoto camera and 120Hz ProMotion display, are still helpful for average users, others, such as the ProRAW picture and ProRes video codecs, as well as cinematic mode recording, are primarily geared at aficionados. Among these functions, video output looks to be one of the most sophisticated and professional-grade features yet presented on an iPhone. As a consequence, it's hardly unexpected that 941 regards it as a niche feature. Even if they don't utilize the purported video capability, almost every iPhone user would welcome a quicker connectivity. Anyone who wants to transfer information between their phone and another device, for example, would benefit from the Thunderbolt's increased speed. The ability to show the iPhone screen on a bigger panel might have far-reaching consequences beyond merely video recording. For example, if Apple and its developers produce iOS applications that are particularly built to function on larger displays, and include complete support for Bluetooth mouse and keyboard, the iPhone might become an amazingly flexible and portable productivity tool. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.